Hello guys, my name is Bhavish and in this video I will be showing you how you can grant access to anyone to your Google Merchant Center account. So this video is going to be a very short video. So let's get started without wasting any time. You can click on the tools and settings icon if you want to grant access to anyone, and from there you have to go to account access. So once you click there, it takes a little bit of time to load. So while it's loading, you guys can hit the like button because definitely I'm going to show you how you can grant access to anyone to your Google Merchant Center account. So it takes a couple of seconds, and once it loads, you can see here that my email ID is here with admin and standard rights. So if you want to give access to anyone, just click on add user and enter their email address like I'm doing here. Once you have entered the email address, click on add user. It takes a bit of time to load. Then you can give them admin or standard right depending. I'll give the admin rights. Here are some permissions or things that they can see. So you can select whatever you want to give access to them and then click on add user. So guys, it's that simple, seriously. Now you will see that here I've given the right to them. Okay, it's my email ID itself and I've given the admin and standard rights. Okay, just let me go back. So I'll show you that the access is still pending. Okay, just give me a second. So the access is still pending because I have not accepted the request. The moment I accept the request, I will get access to this particular account. So guys, it's just that simple. Okay, it will be verified like you can see here. So if you have any questions, if you have any doubts, you can put them in the comments below. If you like this video and if I solved a problem of yours, do hit the like button, subscribe button, and share this video with your friends. Until next time, I'll see you again. Cool. Bye bye.